It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make my red velvet donuts. This is a homemade recipe, so you ready to get started? Let's get into the video. Starting off with my sifted all-purpose flour, then you're going to put in your brown sugar and granulated sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and some salt. Now you want to take that and whisk it all together. Now if you have some stiff or clumps of brown sugar, just take your hand and begin to break those down and then whisk until everything is well incorporated. Now in another bowl, we're going to add our wet ingredients is our milk, egg, unsalted butter, flavor, and some buttermilk. Now we're going to take our whisk and we're going to whisk that until it's well incorporated. Now I did add in 2 tablespoons of whole milk, but that was by mistake. I jumped the gun in adding an ingredient which was intended for my frosting. So it didn't hurt or harm this portion of the recipe, so it turned out fine. But you want to add in your wet to your dry and begin to mix and fold that together until all the dry has completely blended in. And now I'm adding in the food coloring. This is the Red Rose by the Sugar Art, and I added in 1/4 teaspoon of food coloring, and you just want to fold that in until all that color is well incorporated into your batter. Now getting a baking tray and your donut silicone mold, I'm using a 9 cavity mold. Now you see these different color donut molds, you can use these, but the one that I'm going to be using is just a little bit bigger, and you can tell if you just flip it over from the back. And this is what I'm going to use. So you want to get you some Pam spray and spray it very well. All right. And spray each one until it is fully coated. And then you're going to take you a basin brush and just take it around the little donut holes just to make sure that there's no dry spots, because you do not want no sticky donuts. All right, you don't want it to stick to your silicone mold. Now you want to put your batter into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag, cut a hole in it, and begin to add in that batter. And you want to fill it up right before the line. You don't overfill it. It's going to come out nice and even. And once you have done that, you want to bake this for 350 degrees. Don't forget to tap it. And you want to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. Now, in another bowl, we're going to do the cream cheese and adding in the unsalted butter, the flavor, the powdered sugar. And now we add in the 2 tablespoons of milk. Now, you want to blend this in, and then you guys, you only supposed to add in 3 ounces of the buttercream. Where y'all seen the full stick, the full block. So this is why I'm adding in some more powdered sugar, and I added in some more milk. So you want to blend this until it becomes nice and smooth like this. All right, and then you're ready to dip your donuts right into your cream cheese frosting. All right, so once your donuts is done, they come out the oven. You want to put them on a wire rack, and you want them to cool. All right. Now you want to tap them before you release them. Once you release, it should come off really nice, as you see here. But let them cool before you dip into the icing. They are so good and beautiful. Look at those red velvet donuts. All right. So you're going to take one of the donuts and make a little crumble so that it can go over your icing just for decorations, and just dip that on in there and get to decorating. All right. So that is going to be it. And I know you guys are excited about this contest, right? Y'all know about it. If you don't know about it, check the information in the bottom of this video, the description. And as you see, I'm just decorating my donuts and just adding that crumble to the top. But if you're here for this contest, check out the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And y'all like and leave a comment in the comment section letting me know how you enjoyed this video. And be ready for a celebration. These are going to be amazing for any event. So it's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll see you all in the next video.